Just a quick review of all the veneers that were sold over the weekend. It's a lovely piece of Laurel Burl. Gorgeous, gorgeous veneer. If you're a first-time veneer user, you can get excellent results with this. This would make an excellent visual interest on a jewelry box or a man's valet. Gorgeous, gorgeous cluster pattern. Something I don't have much left in stock, redwood burl. I'm sorry, just redwood. This is quarter sawn. Pecky Timaway. Not a fan of it, but it seems to be pretty popular. I've just never grown fond of this particular one. Babinga. It's a nice carmine rose color. Again, if you're a first-time veneer user, you might want to think about saving this for a second project or whatever. Here's some flat sawn walnut. Quarter sawn walnut, just gorgeous, gorgeous curl figure with this. I've had a recent inventory, new inventory of some Purple Heart. Paduke. You can find that on my eBay store and my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks. There's a gorgeous piece of curly or mild curl or mild figured koa. Macquarie with a block modeled figure. If you're a novice veneer user, consider this one for a project. This is a very good wood to work with. Caballo. It's a very coarse grain wood, much like an ash, very stiff and brittle. I'd say more like an oak. It's just a gorgeous bright yellow color. It retains that color. Getting some more Purple Heart. Some bee's wing figured fumed eucalyptus. So 2 pieces of some curly maple. Some ash burl, and of course all these veneers and more are found on my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks, my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, my website, VolpeWoodworks.com, and as seller, Volpe Woodworks on Amazon. If you like the content of this video, please reach out, look for some project videos on my YouTube channel, Volpe Woodworks. If you have some questions or concerns about using veneer, I'm always happy to advise. Just reach out to me by email at tom@VolpeWoodworks.com.